Does your MacBook start opening apps by itself every time you turn it on? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this short and simple guide, I'll show you 3 easy methods to stop those apps from launching automatically and explain why each method works. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Remove apps from login items. Why? This stops specific apps from starting up automatically when you log into your Mac. Click the Apple menu at the top left corner. Go to System Settings. Click General in the sidebar. Then choose Login Items on the right. Under Open at Login, you'll see a list of apps. Select the app you don't want, then click the minus button to remove it. Simple as that. Method 2. Turn off the resume feature. Why? This prevents your Mac from reopening apps that were open the last time you shut it down or restarted it. Go to Apple menu at the top left and choose System Settings. Scroll down and click Desktop and Dock. On the right, scroll to the Windows section. Turn off the option that says Close Windows when quitting an application. This tells macOS not to remember or reopen your last session's apps. Method 3. Uncheck Reopen Windows when logging back in. Why? It gives you manual control to stop apps from reopening when you restart your Mac. Click the Apple menu at the top left corner and choose Restart or Shutdown. In the pop-up window, uncheck the box that says Reopen Windows when logging back in. Then click Restart or Shutdown. That's it. This one's especially handy when you're doing a quick restart and don't want everything to pop back up. And you're done. Try these methods out, and your MacBook will start up clean and smooth, just the way you like it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Mac tips.